I have a question for you guys. Do you want to make money while doing something fun and engaging in the process? If the answer is yes, then you really want to keep watching because today I will show you several different apps that will pay you a lot of money for just playing video games. This app here has paid out people from all over the world thousands of dollars. This app here gives you a chance to earn $1 million for absolutely free. Meanwhile, this app here has paid out over $16 million to its users and will pay you through a variety of gift cards. If you want to make some good money online and you want to know what apps I'm talking about, then stay tuned. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. So in today's tutorial, I will be going over apps that will pay you for just playing games. I know you guys love these just like I do because there's no better way to make money online without any skills or work involved than playing games. You're basically having fun while making money. It's much better than completing boring surveys, for example, or watching painstakingly long ads. Now, with that being said, guys, I really want you to keep watching this video because I will show you multiple apps to make money playing games, as you've seen in that intro. By combining all of them, you will be able to make even more money. The first app I have for you is this one here called Lucktastic. And as the name of this app hints, and as you can see right here, you can win prizes using this app for absolutely free. How this works in more detail you can see below. Lucktastic gives you fun scratch card games each day. Scratch off the cards and see if 3 symbols match. You can win cash prizes, in-app rewards, gift cards, and more. All 100% free. Scratch cards, collect tokens, and see how high you can rank. So you can play fun scratch games every single day, and you have a chance to win various amounts of money paid through either gift cards or cash, and as you will see soon enough, we are talking about a lot of money. Before we get to that though, something quite important I have to mention are the reviews. And as you can see, this app has been rated by over 300,000 people and has a rating of 4 stars. So this is 100% legit and will actually pay you, not a scam like some other apps. With that important bit of info out of the way, if you go over to their official website, lucktastic.com, you will be able to see more info about the contests they have, such as how much money are we talking about, which I know many of you will want to know. Take a look at this. If you're really lucky, you stand to earn no less than $1 million. Obviously, the chance of winning that much money is very slim, but the simple fact that an app is offering to pay that much is just insane on its own. The $1 million contest, however, is far from the only one this app has to offer. As you can see here, they have a contest for you to earn up to $2,500 as well. Nothing in comparison to $1 million, but still a huge sum of money. Scrolling further down will show you that they have this Live in Life contest as well, and winning it would grant you $25,000, still a huge amount of money being offered by an app. So, long story short, you can earn a lot of money with this app most definitely by just taking part in those contests and playing those scratch games. And if that wasn't enough, you can see on their homepage here that this app also works for iOS. So it will work no matter what kind of device you have. That app, however, is far from the only one I wanted to show you today. This next one here, called Big Time Cash, is one of the best apps today as far as making money by playing games is concerned. Period. How this app exactly works, you can see right here. All you need to do is play any of our games and collect at least 1 ticket to be entered into the frequent cash prize draws. The more tickets you collect, the higher your chance of winning the cash prize. Check back at draw time to see if your name is on the winning ticket. The winning prize is paid out through a PayPal money transfer. So, as you've just heard, you just need to play games in order to get paid. And they do indeed pay through PayPal for many of you watching this that love that platform. Something of note about this app that I thought would be worth mentioning as well is that, as you can see right here, there are no in-app purchases and no playing to win. Both really nice features I'm sure you guys will appreciate. The most important thing that I wanted to show you regarding this app, though, you can see right here on this website. If you scroll down, you will come across this section. And as you can see, there are people from literally all over the globe that have made not dozens or hundreds of dollars, but literally thousands of dollars with this app. And that is just insane when you think about it, because apps like these aren't supposed to pay you even close to this amount of money. And if that's not enough, it's also worldwide available as well. In case some of you are having doubts as to whether or not this app will actually pay you that much money, if any at all, then I encourage you to check out its reviews on both the Google Play and App Stores. On the Google Play Store, it has a rating of 4 stars with over 400,000 reviews. Meanwhile, on the App Store, its rating sits at 4.6 stars and around 5,500 reviews. So not only does it have a great rating, but it's from a lot of people as well, meaning that there can be basically no doubt as to whether or not this app is legit and will pay you. Something else I really love about this app is that it also works for iOS just like that previous one. And of course, we have amazing reviews on the App Store as well. But regardless though, the point is that once again, we have an app that is legit, will pay you a lot of money, and will work for your phone no matter if it's an Android or iOS. The last app I will be going over with you today is this one here called Mist Play. And right off the bat, I want to let you guys know that this one does have a bit of a flaw. It doesn't work for iOS, unfortunately. So this is for those of you who only have an Android device. If you do have one, then I would highly recommend you give this app a try, because even though it's not as popular as that previous one, it's just as good and is seen from these awesome reviews. It has a rating of 4 stars with just over 200,000 reviews. So as always, this proves without a doubt that this is both a legitimate and also a good app overall. How this app will pay you, you can see right here. Redeem your units for gift cards to Visa, Amazon, the Google Play Store, and more. So they will pay you through gift cards basically, and they offer quite a bit of them for you to choose from too. Arguably though, the best feature of this app you can see on their official website here. They have paid out $16 million to their users. This is more than most make money online websites, let alone apps that I've ever seen. So as you can see, even though this only works for Android, as I said before, I think it more than makes up for it with the fact that it has paid out this much money. In summary, guys, all of these apps that I've shown you have 3 features. They work worldwide, they are legit, so they will pay you for your efforts, and lastly, they are free. So I encourage all of you to give all of them a try. Don't just focus on one of them, but rather all of them, so that you can maximize your results and earn as much money as you can. And with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.